That's not true. I just wanted for studying and talking to my friends. You never trust me. It's not about trust, dear. I know what happened last time. You were always playing games, scrolling videos, and ignoring your homework. That was before. I'm grown up now. I can control myself. You don't understand me at all. I understand you better than anyone. When you had a phone, you were angry all the time, and you didn't sleep or study properly. You never listen. You always think I'm stupid. Everyone has a phone. Why only me? I feel like a prisoner in this house.
Stop shouting, I'm your mother. I want what's best for you. You were becoming addicted, and I don't want that to happen again.
You always say addicted. Addicted. I'm not addicted. I just want to be like other kids.
Being like others is not important. What's important is your health, your mind, and your studies.
Yeah, right. You think I'll become crazy again?
I don't think so. I know how it was. You forgot to eat, you didn't talk to anyone, and you only stared at the screen. I love you too much to see that again.
You never loved me. You just control me. That's not true. Love is not giving everything you ask for.
Love is protecting you, even when you hate me for it.
I really want one, Mom.
Maybe one day when you're ready, but first you must learn balance and responsibility.
Okay, but you promise?
Yes, I promise. When I see you're ready, I'll get you a phone.
Alright, I'll try to show you I can handle it.
That's my good child. I'm proud of you. And you had a phone, one. I'm everyone has a phone. Why mine? Why only one? Why only me? I feel like other kids. I feel like a prisoner in this house.
I promise. When I see you're ready, I'll give you a phone. Alright, I'll try to show you I can handle it. That's my good child. I'm proud of you.